God bless you, viewers. This is your boy Marcus J. Wilson. How you doing? I want to thank God for the word coming from my sister Minister Fowler, telling us, smile, don't argue, don't debate, don't fret. And also, quote scripture, give them the word and pray for them. That's what we got to do. We got to pray for them. Tell them. And she spoke from Matthew 7:1, saying, judge not and you shall not be judged. So we got to understand and remember not to tell people not to judge you when you're getting reprimanded. Because sometimes we get into that, don't judge me. Who do you think you are? I'm a grown man. I'll do whatever I want when I want. We gotta remember that this is judgment work. All our ministers are preaching the word. Even me, I gotta remember, don't get so mad and heated when your mother hollers at you. And that's what gets me in trouble all the time. Sometimes my attitude will get people. Just because somebody gets the attitude with me, don't talk about them behind your back. Even the ones that you despise, even the ones that do get an attitude with you all the time. In certain people's cases, I'm not going to say her name because it's wrong. But we got to remember to do what God tells us to do. And remember this, and God bless. So I give this church review of our young people's day a great big 100. So remember, and God bless.